Muskoda Trail. Okay, there it is, 0.45 miles. And I would be right here, so I'm going to go around there. And I'll walk through the campground over to mine. All right. And for today is a Wednesday, midweek. And I noticed when I made my reservation the weekend, Friday and Saturday are, for all campsites were booked for the weekend. But plenty of sites open for midweek. And this weekend it's supposed to be nice weather, but not in the 80s like we have today and tomorrow. Okay, the trail goes here, but because they have a little loop thing here, it goes back to it. They're telling about pollinators like butterflies and bees, hummingbirds. And that's where we are. There's Minnesota. You are here. Wow. Okay. Also some mention, there's the main road. The entrance is over there. You come in here and I drove in here. And I turned into the campground right there. You can see the stop sign, and then there's another area like straight ahead, I think. We'll probably check that out later. And of course, Highway 10 is that direction. And Moorhead is to the west, and Detroit Lakes is to the east. Moorhead being, I think, was it 13 to 15 miles or something like that. I didn't see how far Detroit Lakes is from here. Wow, it's an interesting rock. I don't see any sign around that tells about it. It says it's a hiking club trail. That's weird. I wonder how a rock got to be like that. Of course, man did that. I didn't find any or see any papers that was dedicated for the interpretive part of this trail, so yeah, I don't know. Oh well. All right. There's the prairie part of this trail. There's woods right there. Let's see where this, I could got some information here. Yeah. Okay. So I must be right here right now. So this trail just goes down to right there. And I could come back. Huh. Yeah, I'm going to go down here and then back again. May as well. I got time. Not far. Kind of walked in some trees, wooded area here. I think I'm coming up to a road. And there's a group camp over there, according to the map. Look at this sign. Yep. Okay. Let's head back to Muskoda Trail. All right, back on the Muskoda Trail. And you know what? As I was walking that little section right there, I realized something. I remembered something. It was just suddenly, snap of the fingers, I thought of it. I forgot my chair at home. I forgot to bring it with. You know, the chair I sit on, around the campfire. Forgot it. Oh, man. One of the things I love doing is just, sitting there in that chair. And, it's comfortable enough and stuff. Forgot it. Oh, well, I don't know. But I'm going to have to just roll with it the best I can. So, oh well. Let's continue on this trail. Oh, what is this? What do I see? I see a plaque. Got one. Oak savanna. An area of prairie that is mixed with scattered oak trees is called an oak savanna. Large oaks are resistant to drought, fire, and grazing animals. Today, lacking these disturbances, many oak groves have disappeared and have turned into forests. Okay. All right. There's our oak savanna. All right, I'm coming up to the campground now. Now that was something else. The Muskoda Interpretive Trail basically has only 2 signs that gives you a little bit of information. And there's the campground. I'll be walking that direction and I'll be going to the right over to my loop. But anyways, here's one of the ever famous pit toilets. Man, I will have to walk all the way over here to use it. Oh man. Oh well. I'm gonna head back towards my camp. All right. Back over to here again. Remember they had that over here. Okay, now I'm over here again. I'm gonna head over here and see what we got. I think this brings me over to where that picnic area is. Okay, there's a couple pit toilets right there, closer to where I'm camping at. Okay, good. All right, so I don't need to walk all the way over to the other one. Let's take and go over here and kind of look, see what it looks like around here. Huh. Huh, I wonder what all that is. I see a nice sidewalk going around. I assume it's on the other side too. See, I know I'm gonna go over to this sidewalk and go that way. Well, let's go see what this is. Wow, picnic shelter open. Wow, really nice. Wow, this is a really nice picnic shelter. Not only is it overhead, but around the sides. Gosh. I gotta see this. A phone? Oh, basically just for reservations, I guess. Wow, for a second there. I thought it was going to be like an old-fashioned payphone. Huh. You know, I think I figured that out. That's the swimming hole. That's where people swim. They just don't have the water in it. My gosh. Huh, all right. Yeah, it is kind of sandy and stuff, so. Cool. Well, yeah, it looks like it hasn't had water for a long time. And let's see, it was 1940. And of course. Yep. You notice the programs and events goes all through this Sunday, September 22nd, because that's basically the last day of the season. I'm not going to walk over there, but the parking area, of course, is, you can see the car parked right over there. And that's the main road. Yeah. When the swimming pond is closed, they mean it. At least I think that's the swimming pond. Huh. Yeah, it's just like a storage shed or something. You got plenty of sand here though. There's our swimming hole. Of course, this came from that direction. I go back to camp that way. So this time we're going to go this way. Okay, there's the end of the cement sidewalk. You go down this way a little ways. All right, coming to the end of the picnic area. The trail continues on. There's the Buffalo River. Goes west to the Red River, then north to Hudson Bay. Wow. That was from 2010, was like that. Oops. The river banks are low. Yeah, surrounding the river is flat. The slope of the river is gradual. Okay. Buffalo River State Park. There it goes, flows into the Red River, going north. Goes into Lake Winnipeg first. Whoops. And there's Hudson Bay, way up there. Okay. Oh, look. There's that bridge. Wow, okay. All right. Walk along the Buffalo River. There's that bridge I saw earlier. Yep, I've been here before. And I'm saying there's a 99% chance I'm going to be going down that, across that bridge tomorrow. Pretty sure about that. But since I'm over here at this section, I'm going to go back to my camp going this direction.